Hello, in this video I want to show you how to browse the store and buy books on Amazon Kindle 11th generation. And to do this, click on the store card icon. Here you'll be able to see all available books, so you can select any or click on the search right here and find your preferred book. So I'm gonna click on this one. Here to buy it, click buy and you should see the price next to it. Then you'll be transferred to the available payment options and you'll be able to pay for your book. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.